Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to see archived post on Instagram. So the ones you hide from your profile but did not delete, you can again show to your profile, and you can see your archive post also. So steps to view archived post on the Instagram app: like open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon, which is at the very bottom right of this page, and go to the option like three horizontal lines, which is at the very top right of this page. Click on this, and from here select the option archive. After tapping on this, which is at the very top, you can just see your story archive. After clicking on this, you can see your story archive, and again clicking on stories archive, you can select the option post archive, and from here you can just see your archive post which you have hide from your profile but did not delete. Once you have deleted your post, you won't be able to see it. If you have archived, then you can definitely see it from your archived. And now you can also make your archived post shown in your profile. To do, you just need to tap on this three dot icon, tap on this, and from here you can select the option show on profile, and again the post you have hide will be shown on your profile icon. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.